Okay, this is Patches the Clown. He's approximately 42 inches tall. He can wear size 4T and 5T. The head is completely carved out of wood. The eyes are acrylic. They do not move. His hands and feet are also carved out of wood. The clothes are handmade. We have a rubber band in the back, and that's what this hook will hook to. With the rubber band is here and on the bottom of the body, so this helps hold your head for you. The eyes, I say, are acrylic. Mouth works good. So if you ever have to get inside to make repairs, there's a, you take this wig off up here, there's a screw on this side and this side. You unscrew that, the back of the head will come open for you if you ever have to get inside to do anything. So like I said, these clothes are handmade. It's kind of hard to find clothes for a clown. There's our feet and our hands that are painted. And then we have it cut out in the back so you can get your hand in here easy. So he is available. If you're interested in him, you can contact me on my Facebook page at Daniel Cousino. Thanks for watching.